Welcome to Textile Technology Channel.
All major motions originate from the main motor. As the motor turns, the motor pulley transfers motion to the clutch flywheel through a single drive belt. The speed of the loom is a function of effective diameter of the main motor pulley. When the clutch engages, rotational power from the flywheel is transmitted through the clutch to the clutch gear. The clutch gear meshes with a series of intermediate gears to distribute motion to the sleigh drive, shedding motion, and cloth take-up. Input motion to the sleigh drive is transferred to a shaft which simultaneously drives a conjugated cam on each end of the loom. This double-sided drive keeps the sleigh drive and reed rigid during beat-up, regardless of loom width.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.